Alright, Emma. We're going to play a little game called Guess When You Think the Silver Quarter Hits the Table.
Okay.
By the sound.
Uh-huh.
Alright, I got some quarters here in my hand. I got 3 of them, so tell me if you think this is a silver quarter.
No.
Don't think that's it, huh?
No.
How about this one?
No.
How about this one?
Yes.
That sounds a lot different, doesn't it?
It's the silver one.
In 1961, 90% silver. Not silver?
Yes.
No, that's not silver either.
Yes.
That one's silver. So
This is where I carry my my money.
your money.
Your monies.
All right.